How to download and install Google Lens on your iPhone device. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download the Google Lens on your device. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your device. Find App Store on your home screen. Once you find it, tap on it. Now tap on search, and in the search bar type in Google Lens and hit search. Now once you do that, you will see the Google Lens app right here. Just open it and you can see get right here. Tap and get. Now authenticate with the Face ID. Now once you do that, wait for a few minutes. It may take some time to download. Now once it's downloaded, tap and open. And that's it. Now tap and continue. Right here, tap on it, tap and continue again. Now once you do that, you can log into your Google account, and that's it. This is how you can download Google Lens on iPhone. Hope this helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.